Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In last lecture, we have discussed about solid waste management. Today, we will discuss about air pollution. In this lecture, we will discuss about what is atmospheric pollution, what is pollutant, classification of air pollutant and sources of air pollution. So first of all, start with the atmospheric pollution, the definition of air pollution. Air pollution is defined as the presence of unwanted and undesirable foreign particles and gases in the air which may have adverse effects on human beings, animals, plants, vegetation and important structures. As per IS 4167/1966, air pollution is defined as under air pollution is the presence in atmosphere of substances generally resulting from the activities of man in sufficient concentration, present for a sufficient time and causes a harmful effects on human, plants and animals. So here the substances and gases are present in atmosphere for a sufficient time in sufficient concentration which will harmful effects on human, plants and animals. So there are three types of air pollution is of the public health concern: indoor air pollution, micro scale; outdoor air pollution, meso scale; and last one is air pollution at global level, macro scale. Now, what is pollutant? Pollutant is any substances present in the environment in harmful concentration which adversely alters the environment by damaging the growth rate of a species and by interfering with a food chain, is toxic and affects the health, comfort and property, etc., is considered as a pollutant. So pollutant is damaging the growth rate of species and break the food chain. The pollutant is toxic and affect on health, comfort and property. So that's called pollutant. Now the classification of air pollutants. The air pollutants can be classified on the following basis. First one is based on origin. So there are two types of air pollutant. First one is primary and second one is secondary. Based on states of matter, there are two types of air pollutant. First one is gases and second one is particulates air pollutant. Based on presence in environment, first one is indoor and second one is outdoor air pollutant. Now classification based on origin. First one is primary air pollutant. So primary air pollutant are those which are directly emitted from the sources in atmosphere and remains in the same form in the atmosphere. That's called primary air pollutant. For example, sulfur oxide, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, particulate matter. These are the primary air pollutants. These air pollutants are emitted by man-made sources like transportation, fuel combustion and industrial operation. This all are create primary air pollutant. Now second one is secondary air pollutants. Secondary air pollutants are those which are formed by chemical reactions among primary pollutant and atmospheric chemical species. For example, ozone, sulfur trioxide, petroxyl nitrate, photochemical. So secondary pollutant are created from the atmospheric chemical species and primary air pollutants, and they are made secondary air pollutant like ozone, sulfur trioxide, petroxyl nitrate and photochemical. Now based on states of matter, so there are two types of air pollutant. First one is gaseous air pollutant. So gaseous air pollutants are those air pollutants which are found in the gaseous state at normal temperature and pressure in the atmosphere. So gaseous air pollutants are available at normal temperature and pressure in atmosphere. The common air pollutant, gaseous air pollutant are carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides and hydrocarbon. These all are gaseous air pollutants. Second one is particulate air pollutants. The particulate air pollutants are finely divided. So the particle is very fine, solid and liquid particles which remain in very long time in air in suspension. Depending upon their size and mode of formation, further classification is below: dust, smoke, mist, fly ash and soot. These all are finely divided particles. They are called particulate air pollutants, and which are remaining very long time in atmosphere. Now, based on presence in environment, there are two types of air pollutant. First one is indoor air pollutant. So, which are generated from household. Example: cleaning agents, mosquitoes, repellents, pesticides, paints, glues, varnishes, cigarette smoke, gases from stoves, microbes like bacteria, viruses and fungi. These all are called indoor air pollutant. Now second one is outdoor air pollutant, which are generated from automobile pollutant, industrial pollutant and mining products. It is called outdoor air pollutant. Now sources of air pollutant. There are two types of sources of air pollutant. First one is natural resources and second one is man-made resources. The resources of air pollution may be classified into two groups. Natural resources. First one is natural resources. So atmosphere reaction, volcanic eruption, forest fire, dust storm, salt spray from ocean, microorganisms and radioactive substances. These all are natural resources called natural resources. Second one is man-made resources. Combustion of fuel, activities like combustion of fuel, automobile exhaust, industries, thermal and nuclear power plant, agricultural activities, construction material, system of sanitation, mining, nuclear explosives, aircrafts, wastewater treatment plants. So these all are activities is done by man-made. So these pollutants are called man-made pollutants. So in this lecture, we will discuss air pollution, definition of air pollution, air pollutant, classification of air pollution and its sources. Next lecture, we have discussed pollutants and its effect on various properties, men, plants, animals and etc. Thank you.